How to fix Walgreens login problem 2026. First of all, make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, you simply have to switch to your mobile data. And then also, you simply have to tap on this lock-like icon right next to the address bar. Once you tap on it, you should be able to access this cookies and site data option if you are on web browser. From here, tap on this trash button or dustbin button to remove all the cookies and data of the site and try to reload the website itself. Or if you are on mobile application, hit backwards and open your device's app drawer. From here, simply locate the application icon, long press on it, then access the app info panel, then scroll down to the storage section to remove the cache. Once you remove it, go ahead and relaunch the application and try to log in. Your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.